Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the crucial 32GB DDR5 RDIMM, a memory module designed to elevate your computing experience. This stick of RAM boasts a density of 32GB, making it ideal for demanding tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and running virtual machines. The DDR5 technology is a significant leap forward from DDR4, offering faster speeds and improved efficiency. This particular module operates at 4,800 MHz, which translates to quicker data transfer rates and snappier overall system performance. The module's registered RDIMM type is crucial for server and workstation environments, providing enhanced stability and error correction capabilities, especially when dealing with large amounts of data. Micron, the brand behind this memory module, is a well-respected name in the industry, known for producing reliable and high-quality memory products. The fact that this module is made in Singapore speaks to the advanced manufacturing processes and quality control measures in place. The lightweight special feature might seem like a minor detail, but it can be beneficial in systems where weight is a concern or simply for ease of handling during installation. For those looking to upgrade their system's memory, the crucial 32GB DDR5 RDIMM presents a compelling option. Its high capacity, fast speed, and error-correcting capabilities make it well-suited for professionals and enthusiasts alike. While it's important to ensure that your motherboard supports DDR5 RDIMM modules before purchasing, this memory module promises a noticeable improvement in performance for compatible systems. It's a solid choice for anyone seeking to boost their system's capabilities and tackle memory-intensive tasks with ease.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.